AWS Config is a service that enables you to assess, audit, and evaluate the configurations of your AWS resources. Config continuously monitors and records your AWS resource configurations. This allows you to automate the ongoing evaluation of recorded configurations against desired configurations. AWS Config enables you to simplify compliance auditing, change management, security analysis, and operational troubleshooting. Let's look at some benefits of AWS Config. Continuous monitoring. AWS Config creates a resource inventory of your AWS resources, including EC2 software configurations. After the initial resource discovery, new resources are added automatically, with continuous monitoring when configuration changes occur. Amazon SNS can send notifications, so you can review or take action to modify the change. Continuous assessment. By creating rules that define your desired resource configuration, you can measure resource compliance against your organization's best practices. You can package your rules, together with corrective actions, into conformance packs. Conformance packs can be deployed across your entire organization. Deviations against the rules trigger SNS notifications and event bridge events for continual alerting. You can measure your overall compliance and easily find non-compliant resources. Change management. The configuration history allows you to view any configuration point in the past for a specific resource. You can easily view relationships and resource dependencies. This allows you to understand the impact of potential changes before you make the change. This helps to minimize change-related incidents. Operational troubleshooting. You can identify the root cause of operational issues through AWS Config's integration with AWS CloudTrail. CloudTrail correlates configuration changes to particular events in your account. This allows you to view the details of an event API call that invoked the change, such as who made the request, at what time, and from which IP address. Enterprise-wide compliance with multi-account and multi-region data aggregation. You can view compliance status across your enterprise from a central account. This allows you to identify non-compliant accounts. You can dive deeper into status for a specific region or a specific account. Third-party resource support. With AWS Config you can perform configuration audit and compliance verification of both your AWS and third-party resources. You can publish the configuration of third-party resources, such as GitHub repositories, Microsoft Active Directory resources, or any on-premises server into AWS. You can then view and monitor the resource inventory and configuration history. You can also create AWS Config rules and conformance packs to evaluate these third-party resources.